All right, big brother, what we're going to do here, we're going to go over our range procedures. Oh. All right, so the first thing I'm going to say is that fire. Go ahead and approach your firing line. Good. Go ahead and secure one magazine. Good. Go ahead and secure your firearm. Good. Go ahead and lock and load that magazine inside the firearm. Good. Go ahead and release that slide to the front. Good. The fire line is now hot. Fires. Take on a good stance, a good grip, good aim, breathing control, trigger control, fire when ready. Ceasefire, ceasefire, ceasefire. Fire. Go ahead and take that magazine out that weapon, place the magazine and the weapon on the table, and step back from the fire line. Out, doggone, standing. That was good, brother. You got any questions on that?
No, sir, I don't.
Excellent. So let's go ahead and now we're going to go to our misfire procedures, okay? So at the same time, I'm going to say fire. Go ahead and take a step up to the firing line. Good. Go ahead and secure your magazine. Good. Go ahead and secure your firearm. Good. Go ahead and lock and load that magazine inside that firearm. Good. Go ahead and release that slide to the front. Click. Good. Fire line is now hot. Fire. Take on a good stance, a good grip, good aim, breathing control, trigger control, fire when ready. Misfire. Good. I will come over to you and I will say, what is the problem?
Misfire.
Misfire. I would then secure that weapon right here. You release the grip of that weapon. I will turn around and I will clear that weapon from you. And then we will re-engage with our training. Are there any questions to the information I just put out to you?
Oh, sir.
Out, doggone, standing, bro. You did that like a pro, man. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah.